The good thing about Kreyòl is that if you understand how to pronounce a few words, you're gonna know how to pronounce the rest of them. As I have said before, we are going to Haiti and you're gonna come with me in 2030. For us to go, I'm gonna teach you the fundamentals. It's gonna help you with your pronunciation because if you want to be understood, you need to pronounce the stuff properly. I'm gonna actually show you all the different vowels, the sounds that they make. Let's start with the letter A, with the vowel A, like cat. But it's not really like we pronounce it like cat, but it's a shorter vowel because I think in Haitian Creole what it is that we have shorter vowels. So even though it's a short A, we don't press on it. So we say pa pa, pa. If we know that pa always give you pa, there's no reason for A to change in la kai. It's always going to be pronounced the same way. Basically, we don't have surprises in Creole, and that's a great thing. English is full of surprises, but in Creole, we don't have that. Okay, we don't have that. It's very simple. And then you have the letter A, that is E for you guys in English. It's A like say, but we don't press on it. Like I said, it's shorter. So it's bébé, bébé. And then the same way you say lever, danser, lever, danser. But danser, that's more nasal. And we're going to cover all that. Okay, you have to learn to crawl. Okay. So then we have E, but it's I for you guys, which is E and C. We say vini. Okay. We say vini. And we have la vie. La vie ya belle. La vie est belle. Beaucoup vivre sans préoccupation. Okay, I'm thinking about good old foundational songs that you need to know as a Haitian person. But then we have Vini, Vinim paleo chéri, Vinim paleo chéri, which means come to me, please. Darling, come to me, darling. Spicy. Petit as well. Petit, which means small, like Tibaga la piti, living piti, that means she got smaller. Living piti, she lost weight. And then we have O, like O and go, but we don't press on it, like I said. I don't know how many times did I say we don't press on our vowels. So it's bobo, vin bobum, vin bobum. Come give me a kiss, vin bobum. But it's a very, very short sound. So then we have coco. Cocoye. Let's just say cocoye. Cocoye, which is, coconut. And then we have photos. Moto. It's very moto, like let it go. Moto. And then we have another sound, you guys. It's like the U sound. Some people will argue with me, okay, Creole is not pronounced like this. You have to say E. Baby, I'm not going to argue with you. But I pronounce lunette, like lunette. I say it like that. Okay. It's French based. And then fusil, I say fusil, which means like a gun. And I can never pronounce that word, actually. I don't know why I can pronounce that word. Somebody please help me understand why I cannot say a gun. A gun? Am I saying it right? We have other vowels, you guys. There are many different vowels in Creole, but the point of the matter is once you understand how to pronounce the vowels, you're just gonna, be able to read, like no surprises. You're gonna go to Haiti and you're gonna sound like a native. You're gonna sound like me, Famo Cap, Famo Cap, Yeah, I'm Famo Cap and I'm proud. And we speak the best Creole, by the way. I don't know, I'm not gonna argue with you. It's gonna be a multiple part series. All right, let's go to the next one.